Hi there once again. Just a follow-up video on these little boards for the PAM 8403 bridging boards, but this time focusing on trying out this conversion from balanced or unbalanced input to balanced output. So in this case, instead of hooking up the boards at the output, where you would use 5 volts to feed in and then have your left to right channels to each amp. This time you just use the pins in reference to the signal, hot and cold, and therefore you get something like this. So the beauty of this is it now runs on still 5 volts, so therefore, hint hint, I can power that using USB, and then I can therefore use that same power, take my left right unbalanced straight from the front of the computer, and then I just quickly, for experimental purposes or just to try this out, I just cut a auxiliary line jack, and here we are. So converted this to tip ring sleeve balanced left and right, and let's see how this sounds. So I've got my my track lined up from my media center down here, and let's give her a whirl, if I can line up the mouse. So I found that the signal's nice and crisp, lots of gain. I'm not even, so here's my 2 channels there. There's, my son's in bed, so I can't play it loud anyway. But yeah, there's tons of headroom. I'm quite pleased with this, and then yeah, just no, it works pretty distortion free, even though using that supply. Those 47 microfarad capacitors are holding their own to filter most of that out. Yeah, so pretty simple. Once again, I'm running it pretty flat. Yeah, so something to play around with. So now with the USB, you can take a laptop, plug it in, convert that. If you were to hook this up to an XLR jack, yeah, you would have something that would work really well. I think this is a viable option for somebody interested into. Now, I'd be curious to try this over. I'd be curious to try this over a very long cable. But however, my first, since they are balanced, my first indications here are that I think it would do well, because inadvertently through testing here, I had channel 8 here, my right side. I was using my phone earlier and struggling a bit, only to find out that my jack was too dirty, and my left channel anyways didn't work well. So when it did come on, though, I had plenty clipping at my my input here, but it did survive. Yeah, so fun little project board. More to follow. I've got different versions coming with this, and have fun, and let me know what you think. Cheers.